Hey guys, we received this 2-pack plant caddy for test and try. This comes with the wheels 12.5 inches rolling plant stand. Heavy duty metal plant dolly with a round planter caddies for the large flower pot. So it can be used indoor and outdoor. So let me just unbox it. So you can see it comes in this nice protective box with the wheels instruction manual. So let me just open and assemble that so that I can show it to you. So the good thing is this comes with the two regular wheels and two lock wheels. So there are like the regular wheels and then there are wheels with the lock. So two regular wheels and two lock wheels for each of this stand. So this is how, and this is a strong metal, the base along with the wheels. So you can lock the wheels if you want to, and the regular things as well. So see, there is a lever here for on and off thing that you can easily control. So in the middle the wheels are good, and then either side the wheel get locked, and assembly is pretty straightforward, that you can just rotate with this hole, and there is a wrench that comes with it, so you can tighten that at the end. So let me just put all these four wheels, and then I will show you the final thing. So this is the wrench that you can tighten the wheel. So I will not take much time in the video, but I will just put all these four wheels and then show it to you. So the size is around 12.5 inches in the width and 2.56 in the height, and you can easily push for the plant. Is a heavy duty plant caddy with the wheels. So this is the fully assembled one. So metal plant one is heavy duty steel frame and lockable metal things, where you can easily rotate 360-degree, or the 360-degree for the unlock or the lock thing. So here outside I'm just showing you, so I put a planter on top of it, and then it's easy to move this heavy planter. So it's pretty very handy and very helpful in moving the big stuff, especially the planters with the soil and stuff, and then you can easily put that one. So 360 degree will always help. Overall a nice wheeled planter stand.